Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to introduce you to another powerful strategy that you will love to see, most especially as a beginner that you are looking for a way to have a view clear chart on your charts. See, this is one of the powerful indicators that is really helping me a lot, and you can see this is just a combination of just one window, and with this one window you can scrape the market as many you want. You can go for 5 minutes scraping on this same indicator, as you can see on the chart right now about the trade that I've taken some minutes ago. And if you also check my crash 1000 here now, you see the trade that I've taken some minutes ago, and you can see that this is really working. So this is the powerful indicator that I'm going to explain how it works for you. So guys, this indicator is going to help you as a beginner if you can get this indicator. Just to get this indicator, just join the Telegram link and message the admin. You are going to be getting it at a very token amount of fee. And let me tell you guys, let me show you how this particular indicator works. You can see this indicator has been installed on this chart, and it shows the view clear of the chart as the movement is. You can see that we have a region from this particular area which gives us a uptrend from this level. Come to here, we have a rejection zone here, and we have another movement before it take a great rejection, a great uptrend movement until we have our current trade now. And also on our crash 1000, we can see that this indicator indicates to me here that we are going to have a lot of spike, and you see it respects that particular zone. But at this particular area, anytime we are having our arrow down on our indicator on our window 1 indicator here, this is the right time for us to enter this particular trade. As you can see that it shows for us how to enter at this particular area, and you can count up just five candlestick from here, then you are in your profit. And also from here we have another confirmation here. Immediately we have our indicator here that show to us at this particular level. You see this great arrow, which is our lucky reverse here, is going to show on a dashboard. Immediately this particular arrow show on the dashboard, then wait for this our window 1 arrow, which is the red arrow that you are seeing here. Once it appear on your screen, then enter your trade and take just only 5 candlestick, then you are out of the market. Just 5 candlestick to 10 candlestick, you are good to go. So let me show you more of this example on our crash 1000. This is crash 1000. I take this particular trade when we have our lucky reverse arrow here that show up, and I wait for this blue arrow which show me the uptrend level, then immediately show me the uptrend level, then I take the arrow and I count up to 5 candle to 10 candle, then I'm out of the market. And also we can check here, we have another lucky reverse arrow here, and once it appears I need to wait for my confirmation on this window 1, and once our blue arrow show up, then you are good to go. You just count your 5 candlestick, then you are out of the market. These are the simple tasks that you need to do. Understand the indicator and it's going to work for you. So this is a powerful indicator that I will recommend as a beginner, as a pro, for you to work to add up and see how this particular indicator works. This is very simple to get. Just join the Telegram group and message the admin, and you will get it at the lowest fees to get. Thanks.